In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new space in Wrike. Creating a new space is a great way to organize your work, your team, or a specific project, so everything related to it lives in one dedicated area. This keeps tasks, folders, and dashboards nicely grouped, and makes it easier for everyone to know where to find what they need. To get started, open Wrike and make sure you're in your main workspace view. Look over to the left-hand side of the screen, where you normally see your existing spaces listed. This is your spaces section, and it's where you'll add the new one. Now, in that area, look for a small plus sign. It's usually located near the top of the list of spaces or beside the word spaces, depending on your layout or any recent interface updates. This plus sign is the button you'll use to add a new space. If you're not seeing it right away, try hovering your mouse over the list of spaces or slightly adjusting the panel width until it appears clearly. Once you've located the plus sign, click on it. This action opens Wrike's interface for creating a new space. From here, Wrike will walk you through the options for setting up that space, such as giving it a name, choosing a type or template, and deciding who should have access. Even though we're focusing on the initial click in this walkthrough, it's important to understand that this is the starting point for building out a dedicated environment for your work. A quick tip: before you click the plus sign, it can help to already have a clear idea of the purpose of your new space. For example, is it going to be for a single project, a department, a client, or maybe a personal workspace for your own planning? Having that in mind will make the setup process smoother once Wrike opens the configuration options. If you're working in a shared account, you might also want to confirm that you have the right permissions to create a space. Some organizations limit space creation to certain roles, like admins or owners. If the plus sign doesn't respond when you click it, or if you can't see it at all, that might be a sign you need to check with your account administrator. And that's it. To create a new space in Wrike, simply navigate to your Spaces section, find the plus sign, and click on it to begin setting up your new workspace.